I got the rotor mounted on there. The nuts set. There shouldn't be any end play on this hub whatsoever. You can put a dial indicator on there and check it. Now I just need to put the caliper on. I adjusted the E-brake a little more so that this actuates after being applied about 3/4 of an inch. The shoes grab hold of the drum. The caliper hanger bolts torqued to 128 foot-pounds. Although they call it a support bracket, I think. These had 3 locking compound on them. It's still on there. Now it's time to stick the wheel on it. And then put a bead of silicone. Make sure there's no grease on this surface. Put a bead of silicone on it. Slide the axle in, lock tight all of these axle bolts, and tighten them down to 80 foot-pounds with the wheel on the ground, the weight of the vehicle on the wheel. I've glue Loctited all these axle bolts. I've cleaned that axle flange. I'm going to clean this flange off again with some brake cleaner. I've cleaned the bolt holes out where they had a little bit of axle grease in them. Some black silicone on it. Okay, a nice solid bead all the way around it. I put just a little bit of axle grease on the end of the axle. Sure the wheels turn the right way. So line these out before you make contact with it. Be sure the lug nut bolts are set to 140 foot-pounds. The next thing to do is to burnish the new emergency brake shoes by taking it down the road about 25 miles an hour, slipping it in neutral, and apply the emergency brake kind of gradual till it comes to a stop. Do that a few times. That should help them seat in. And check your rear end grease level.